Most appliance repair business owners get this completely wrong. They think a CRM is just a place to store customer information. Here's the truth no one tells you. The right CRM can help you book more jobs, reduce missed appointments, improve technician efficiency, and generate more repeat business without increasing your workload. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to look for in a CRM for appliance repair businesses in 2026, which features matter most, and how to choose a platform that helps your company grow. Let's get straight to the answer. If you're repairing refrigerators, washing machines, ovens, dishwashers, or HVAC-related appliances, your CRM needs to do much more than manage contacts. It should help you handle leads, schedule appointments, dispatch technicians, send invoices, and follow up with customers automatically. Take John, for example. He runs a small appliance repair company with 3 technicians. At first, he managed appointments using spreadsheets and phone calls. As his business grew, scheduling mistakes started happening. Customers were forgotten, technicians arrived late, and valuable leads slipped away. That's why lead management is the first feature you should prioritize. Every incoming phone call, website form, or referral should enter your CRM automatically. This ensures every potential customer gets tracked from the first contact through job completion. But here's the problem. Many CRMs are designed for office sales teams rather than field service businesses. This is where most people fail. They choose software that lacks dispatching and technician management features. A great appliance repair CRM should include scheduling and dispatching tools. When a customer calls about a broken refrigerator, you should be able to assign the nearest available technician within seconds. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Automated appointment reminders can dramatically reduce no-shows. A quick text or email reminder before the visit keeps customers informed and saves your team valuable time. In a minute, I'll show you one feature that many appliance repair owners overlook but can increase repeat business significantly. That feature is service history tracking. Imagine Jake repaired a dishwasher 6 months ago. When the customer calls again, the technician can instantly view previous repairs, notes, and invoices. This creates a smoother customer experience and helps technicians diagnose problems faster. Another must-have feature is mobile access. Technicians should be able to update job statuses, add notes, upload photos, and collect payments directly from their phones while on site. This creates small wins throughout the day. Less paperwork. Faster invoicing. Better communication. Finally, look for reporting and analytics. The best CRMs show where leads come from, which services generate the most revenue, and how efficiently your technicians perform. The best CRM for appliance repair businesses in 2026 is one that combines lead management, scheduling, dispatching, service history, automation, mobile tools, and reporting in a single platform. Remember, a CRM isn't just software. It's a system that helps you deliver better service while growing your business more efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software reviews and growth tips, and leave a comment with the CRM you're currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.